So this is part 2 of my Vcenter 6.7 install onto an ES6i host. So as you can see, I finally got this thing to cooperate. And what was wrong was, for some reason, it put in some different address. Here you see the IP address showing up. I had some different address in there, so it wasn't uh, extremely helpful to what I was trying to do. So anyway, to fix that, I basically had to type in my own address and log into the console as root. So here, the vCenter machine's running as a VM. You can jump in here and do an edit on this thing. So uh, it's not too bad to configure the management network. And what I did was I simply came over here and I changed the IPs to different IPs that more existed on the network of choice for me. So that's what happened, and I can jump out of this now. And now I can actually access this thing for step 2. So this took a long time to come up. I'm not sure why, but and this is not scripted. I haven't tried this yet. So it's saying vCenter 6.7 has been installed. Let's see what else we have to do. I'm hoping it's not going to have me connect to an AD controller because I really don't have that ready yet. And the passwords on this thing are so obscure. I think I put an easy one in, so let's do that. Okay, there's the password. All right, so what do we do from here? Yeah, SSO. Gosh, I don't have that going yet. Let's see how far we can get here. I wonder if I can go in with local settings for this thing and not use SSO. I doubt it. So I will have to get SSO set up on Windows 2019 and go that way. But that's how it works. Okay, we've seen this before. It's funny how it brings us back here. And I won't change those. It's verifying what the network is, and that's fine. SSH access. Actually, I'm going to enable this just in case I need to get in there and muck around with this thing. All right. I wish people would quit texting me. Guess I'll turn off the phone's bell. There we go. So this isn't the speediest setup I've ever seen. And actually, to get on this thing, wow, to get on this thing, I had to use Firefox. I couldn't use Chrome or anything else because of the key. So it's saying I can't save the host name. Host name is what? System name. I don't see a host name. In fact, I can't even change these things. That I can change. This, I bet, doesn't match what it should match. And that's probably the problem. So let's say that we're going to call it this. See if that'll work. All right, it's the same thing now. Let's do this. It's trying. No, it's going to time out again. It's probably doing a reverse lookup. So yeah, I watched some other YouTuber here, and he's talking about this thing having to do like a reverse lookup, and if it won't NS lookup to what you're trying to do, then it doesn't work. So I'll have to adjust this. It's probably not going to work. So nope. So let's see what it thinks this is anyway. I think I got to have a FQDN in there. What if I say NS lookup on this? It goes to nothing. So I think I got to correct that before I go forward, and I'll do that. And I'll put up a third video. So thanks for watching. And yeah, the other YouTubers have warned me about how this has to have a good FQDN before it goes ahead. So it looks like I did get stage 1 done, and now we're on stage 2. And I got to fix this before we go forward. Okay. Um, Thanks for watching, and have a great day.